Like most people, I used to use masking tape to protect surfaces that I did not want to paint. But I found a quicker, easier way. I use a drywall knife. And all I do is, in this case, I'm painting the wall, not the baseboard. What I do is I just hold the knife right against the edge of the baseboard and then just draw the brush along the edge. What you end up with is a nice clean edge. Look at that, isn't that great? Now, rather than slide it down and continue to paint, what you really need to do is wipe it off after each brush stroke. I keep a wet rag tied to my belt loop, because if you don't, you'll end up getting fresh paint onto the baseboard. So you just slide down a little bit and repeat it. Hold it tight against there and paint. Now, you can go out and buy painting shields specifically made for this purpose, but I like drywall knives for two different reasons. First, they're much more stiff, the blade is much stiffer, and the handle is more comfortable. Plus, they come in different sizes. So imagine you're painting around this window. You get a nice small 6-inch knife like this, hold it in tight, draw your brush along the edge, remove it, and you're done.